Hey guys, this is Fundo on Shupagama. Tonight on Uzalo, Vega get a major win in Guatuguza for being working as a security guard on municipality. Lily might have an alternative to guarantee her transfer to Mpumalanga. He wants to move with Amahle, while Nosipho prove hands with Kuala Church kids. And it seems like Kuala thinks that Nosipho has doubt to move in with him. But Nosipho tell Kuala that the building plan does not change or that does not bring the change between them. While Nkonzi arrive unexpectedly, Kapsile has a man that attract him on the event, but it seems like Konzi disturbed her on this man. That is for tonight. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and comment and subscribe. Therefore, thanks.